We'll answer this one. Find the product of the square of the quantity of 4x minus 2y. Okay, since squared tayo, or that is squared, i-double natin yan. Si 4x minus 2y, multiply natin ng 4x minus 2y. Then apply natin yung first, outer, inner, and last. First muna tayo. 4x times 4x, so that is 16x squared. Outer, multiply natin si 4x at saka negative 2y, so that is negative 8xy. Inner, negative 2y multiply kay 4x, so that is negative 8xy. Last, negative 2y times negative 2y, yan. So that is plus 4y squared. 16x squared, i-combine natin yan. So that is negative 16xy plus 4y squared. Okay, sa choices natin, letter C is the correct answer.